for sure they think they're YouTubers. Because again, we have a YouTube channel. They did a video that will be posted on YouTube. So by definition, they're YouTubers. They want to be like me. A famous YouTuber.
The more we spell, the more wind blows.
Yeah. No, we would have to be just for the 2 letters or the 2 numbers.
Well, spell 37 now, and at the end, no.
No, 36.
No.
Or nature.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Some glue.
Some glue? It's gonna make it very difficult to blow out.
So they were trying to do the number 36 out of leaves. So I think it was a good attempt. It was a really good idea. They gave it their best, but the wind won. So episode 36. The design was already done by one of their collaborators, REVENT BUILDS collaborators, and we just basically put it into reality. We manufactured everything in Montreal, and then me and Ioana actually delivered it there. It was our first trip from Montreal, Canada to Austin, Texas, coming with a 36-foot trailer full of cabinetry for the REVENT Build HQ. While I was developing the parametric style, one of the first designs was seen by a client, and that was our first panel. But then the first official parametric panel that we did once everything was developed was for John, for REVENT. Because I wanted to make sure that the installation goes flawless, and anything that might go wrong goes wrong in Montreal and not in Austin. Because again, I didn't have any tools. There was no shop here. It just could not be done. Anything that had to be fixed could not be fixed in Austin. So I assembled everything in one of our spaces in Montreal, like the logistics of putting it together, then how do you take it apart? How do you load it in the trailer? How do you unload it in the space? So now that we've been here in this space for over a year, shop is almost fully operational. In a couple of weeks, we're ready for business, baby. While we were measuring for his office, so the office was not built yet, but he saw that we were serious and he saw the designs that we were working on. That's when he brought us to the first project. So his office was not yet installed, but he saw something. I don't know exactly what, only he knows. But he trusted us with the first project. So that project was given to us by REVENT Builds even before we finished installing their office. We're open for business.